Most people think Walmart Pay just works automatically after downloading the app. That's where they go wrong, and that's why checkout ends up confusing the first time. Here's the truth no one tells you. Walmart Pay is simple, but only if you set it up correctly before you ever reach the store. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to set up Walmart Pay in 2026 step by step, so it works instantly when you need it. Let's start from the beginning. First, you need the Walmart app installed on your phone. Go to the App Store or Google Play, download it and open it. Now, sign in or create an account. Use your email, phone number, and a secure password. This step is important because Walmart Pay is directly linked to your Walmart account. Now here's where it gets interesting. Before you even think about paying in-store, you need to set up your payment method inside the app. Inside the Walmart app, look for the Walmart Pay section. Tap it, and it will ask you to add a payment method. This is where you link your debit card, credit card, or supported payment option. But here's the problem most people run into. They rush this step or enter wrong card details, and then the payment fails at checkout when they are in a hurry. So take your time here. Enter your card details carefully, and make sure billing information matches your bank records. Once your payment method is added, the app may ask for verification. This can include a text message code or bank confirmation. Complete it so your account is fully activated. Now let's walk through what happens next, so you actually understand how it will work in real life. Imagine someone like Alex going shopping at Walmart. He already set up Walmart Pay at home. He walks into the store, shops normally, and goes to checkout. At the register, he opens the Walmart app and taps Walmart Pay. The app activates a camera scanner. Now here's the key step. The cashier will generate a QR code on the payment screen. Alex scans that code using his phone. The system connects instantly, and he confirms the payment on his phone. That's it. The transaction is complete, and the receipt is saved automatically in the app. Now here's something most people don't realize. If you don't set up your payment method before arriving at the store, you cannot complete the checkout smoothly. You will be stuck doing setup while others wait. So let's keep it simple. Download the Walmart app. Create or log in to your account. Add and verify your payment method. Then Walmart Pay is ready to use anytime you shop. The biggest mistake people make is waiting until checkout to set everything up. That is exactly what causes delays and frustration. Once it is properly set up, Walmart Pay becomes one of the fastest checkout methods available in 2026. If this helped you understand the setup clearly, like, comment, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides like this.